your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, LLC, and we have Big Boy back here with us today, and he hasn't been here for a month. I'm sure you guys have seen him on our old channel. Sully came in here originally with severe low back pain and right SI joint pain that shot all the way down in his leg, and he's had a little bit of a recurrence of that in the last week or so, right?
Yep. So
we're going to go ahead and give him the ring dinger of the day. Okay, let's flex you forward and backwards. Neutral. Yeah, you can see Sully's previous videos on our old channel, Advanced Chiropractic Relief. And this one will be his first one on our new channel, Advanced Chiropractic Relief, LLC. And we want to thank y'all for subscribing and getting all your friends to subscribe, and co-workers and everybody you know, and sharing it on social media. Thank you very much. Okay, Sully. You see how you're a little bit left of center down here and a little bit right of center up here. Okay, so let's go ahead and decompress you here. I know you've been missing this one.
Oh yeah.
There we go. This is usually everybody's favorite adjustment once they've gotten over the initial acute pain. But this is what gets them over the acute pain in the first place. You want to bring the legs up where they're parallel with the floor, change the angle in the pelvis, relax the paraspinal muscles, and then we're going to take a nice deep breath through your nose. There you go, one more time. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't have to ask if that one went all the way down.
Yep.
Yep.
That's good.
Yes, sir. There we go. Perfect. Oh yeah. Our Crack Addicts International Club is gonna love you. We redefine crack addict. There we go. Okay, let's come over here on your tummy. I'll never forget the first time we put that on the title up there. People were coming to the channel thinking they could get crack or something. Figured out it was a different kind of crack. Alright. Left leg is short by about 1/4 of an inch, and when I bring your legs up, it stays short. That tightens up too, doesn't it, in your low back? Yep. So we're going to adjust his left SI joint first. And then I'm going to adjust his right one. And then the sacrum right in the center. Oh, that was a move good. You feel that? There's L5, straight P to A in the Z axis. L4, L3, L2, all the way to L1. Okay. That's it. There we go. I think I still got one more in here. There it is. I knew it was there. Okay. Now you're exactly even, and I bet you this feels smoother than the previous one.
Yes, sir.
Even though it went short again. Okay, I'm going to pop your head up just a little bit here, Sully. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back. There we go. There we go. Yep, now let's slide down this way just a tad right there. Good. Put your arms out to the sides. There we go. That was better. Feel that one up in your back?
The second one, yep.
Yep. Breathe. There we go.
Yep.
All right. Now let's sit you up facing face out the window. Must be raining downtown. You can't see downtown from here.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain all afternoon.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
We haven't seen you out this way yet. There we go. That's a good movement on your shoulder too. So you've been gone for a month. Did you hold up pretty good that most of that time?
Yep.
Good.
Told you to come here every once a month.
Yeah, you got to come just get, he's on maintenance care, which is basically he comes in on an as needed basis. We don't put people on big long treatment programs. We get them well and get them back to their lives. Okay, let's come over here in front of them here. So once they are a patient here, and we've accepted them as a patient, let's flex you forward and backwards, and then neutral. Then they can just call and come in when they want to. Now look at that, Sully. You're right down the gut.
Better.
That's much better. I'm just going to get that head back a little bit more. Yes, sir. Get this left side. Okay, let's try that same thing again. Neutral. Yep. Did that feel smoother to your neck?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good. You're right down the middle everywhere. Your hands are further back too. Alright, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief, LLC in Houston, Texas. And we'll see y'all next time.